Apple is including some accessories also in this, so you can say this iPad is not very environmental friendly like that. What's up guys? I hope you all are doing good and staying safe, and today you know what I have because you probably might have read the title before coming to this video. So today I have the new iPad 8th generation, which is the base variant of the iPad available from Apple. It is a 10.2-inch iPad, and yes, I know this is the season of iPhones because yesterday only the pre-orders went live for the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the iPhone 12 mini, and maybe my Monday or Tuesday you might see the unboxings also, because Tuesday is the Apple event, the November 10th Apple Silicon Mac Apple event. So maybe by Monday you might see the unboxings also of iPhone 12 Pro Max and iPhone 12 Pro mini. But I got this new iPad, so I have to share this before I also get my new iPhone 12 Pro Max. So here it is, the new iPad, and let's unbox this. Okay, so first of all, let's check the box, and I am checking the box because Apple has now started to give very thin boxes of the new iPhone. So considering that this box is very big and Apple is including some accessories also in this, so you can say this iPad is not very environmental friendly like the iPhones. But jokes apart, let's open this iPhone. So this iPhone is not having the traditional Apple packaging by which you can plug, so I made a cut with the knife here. So let's open from here. Okay, so on opening the box, the box is very, well packaged. So on opening the box, firstly you get your iPad, and it's having the complete laminated packaging as you can see. And this packaging has a most satisfying sound for any Apple product. See, so this is our iPad 8th generation, but let's keep this aside for a while and check what other things are available in the box as well. So in the box you get this packaging with all the paperwork and the 2 Apple stickers, not one. So you get all this paperwork and all the stuff in this, which I really don't like. And apart from that, you also get the charging adapter, and it's a 20-watt charging adapter. So Apple has upgraded that from their last generation iPad, because in the last generation it was I think about 15 watts. So it's a 20-watt new adapter which supports the USB Type-C to Lightning cable also, which Apple has also provided in this. So you also get the USB-C to Lightning charging cable along with the fast charging adapter. So if you are getting an iPad and if you are also upgrading to the latest iPhone 12, any iPhone 12 in the 12 series, so it will be very helpful for you because you are getting an adapter now. So let's keep all these accessories aside and move towards our main device. So I ordered the silver color because the space gray and the gold were out of stock, and due to the production or manufacturing issues that Apple is facing currently for most of their devices, so the delivery times are very delayed. Like for the space gray, it was around Christmas time in December, in mid-December, so that was very late. So that's why I only got a chance to buy the silver color. So I took the chance because in iPad the colors really don't matter for me, to be honest. So let's boot this device now, and by the time the device boots up and I set it up, let's have a look at the specs. Okay, so the iPad 8th generation is powered by the Apple's A12 Bionic chip, which is made on the 7nm architecture with the Apple's own GPU. For the display, it's having a 10.2 inches Retina IPS LCD display, and if we go to the RAM and storage models now, it's available in two models, 3GB RAM and 32GB storage variant, and 3GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. Now coming to the cameras, in the rear camera section, it is having a 8 megapixel camera sensor with f2.4 aperture, and for the front camera it's having the same 1.2 megapixel camera with f2.2 aperture. For the battery, we only know that it's having a 32.4 watt hour battery with 20 watt fast charging adapter and USB-C to lightning cable included. Okay, so the iPad setup is now complete, and as you can see, I am on the home screen, and if I go to the settings now and see the about, and you can see around 20 gigabytes of space is available from the 32 gigabytes of base variant. So it's a base variant Wi-Fi 32 gigabytes, and out of the box you get 20 gigabytes, but still you have various Apple apps also like GarageBand or Keynote or Numbers or Pages and iMovie clips, certain type of stuff like that. So if you don't like that apps, or if you don't use that app for your production work or any type of work, you can delete that and get additional storage as well. So that's also a benefit. But apart from that, it looks and feels like similar to my iPad 7 generation, because I had iPad 7 generation, but the presence of the A12 Bionic chip along with the all-new neural engine in this device will certainly boost the performance, and Apple claims it boosts by around 40%. So that's a big performance boost. And also the camera specifications are same with the iPad 7 generation, but keep in mind that with the neural engine, Apple can unlock some new camera capabilities as well with their computational photography mechanisms. So I will expect some better camera performance, which I will test in a separate camera video, or maybe I will do some camera comparisons also. But this video is all about the unboxing, so you have seen what's in the box about the iPad, and this was it for the unboxing of the iPad. I will use it, I will tell you what I feel, I will keep you posted on my social media accounts on Instagram, on Twitter, and I will post a separate big review video, detailed review video indicating all the pros, all the cons, should you buy or should you not buy this base iPad, because it's a $329 US iPad, which is a very good price by Apple. And is it capable enough? Like all the major countries and all the places are in lockdown, still in lockdown, and most of the work is like online for now. Like even schools and colleges are online, so people need some devices, some cheap devices in which they can use softwares like Zoom or Skype or Google Meet or various others like Microsoft Teams. So they need a device. So I think this is very capable for all of that, but I will test it further, I will test it deeply, I will test it with all these softwares and what are the compatibility issues and what are the other things. I will discuss that in my complete review. So that's it for the unboxing. What do you think about this iPad? You also tell me in the comment section below. And if you want some specific type of video from me regarding this iPad, like a specific video for the camera or performance or other stuff, feel free to comment in the comment section or reach to me by my social media handles anytime, because I will be more than happy to answer all your doubts, all your concerns. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video, and I will be very curious to show you some more interesting tech videos like this in the future also. So do subscribe my channel if you like my work and hit the bell icon to stay updated with me. For the time being, goodbye guys, and I will see you all in the next one really soon.